Hi everyone and welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez and in today's video we'll be using our cat eye gel polish and creating a stunning little design with a kitty cat on it. Yep, let's get cracking. To start off this design, I'm going to apply 2 thin coats of Serious Black all over the nail because I want it to be kind of a starry night. You know what I mean? I want it to be dark. So I'm applying this and then we'll paint our little kitty cat on. Okie dokie, so both layers are now cured. I'm going to be using a gel polish called Cracked Ice, which is one of our gorgeous colors from the Cat Eyes collection. I'm just gonna get some of that on my palette. And I'm gonna be starting by painting a little moon. So I'm gonna just pick up some of that gel polish and I'm gonna map out a moon on the nails. I'm just gonna place the brush on the nail and map out my moon. So it's like half a circle. There we go. And now I'm going to thicken out the edges as you get to the body of the moon.
That shape.
Yeah,
because in
I
every
know.
kid's book and every
They
drawing,
just paint it
you
like
just
that,
paint it
don't
like
they?
that, yeah.
I think I was distraught, to be honest. It's like, what? Are you joking?
Blew my mind.
So we've got the moon on here. I'm going to take my magnet, and if you can zoom in, Drew, I'm just going to go around the nail, and because it's got like obviously magnet pigment inside the gel polish, it will start kind of moving. Can you see
Oh, yeah.
how it's changing the color? I mean, you can do this as well. Can you see? I'm going to push the color away from the edge of the moon. I don't want actually, no. I don't want the blue to come. I'm looking for the blue to basically not be on the edges of the nail here. I'm trying to move it away because I'm going to paint something else on top. So I've got the moon cured. Look how gorgeous this looks. You see what happens like when I move it? Can you see how it looks like it's kind of...
Oh, yeah.
Can you see it? How cool, right? So I'm going to be picking up some more of that Cracked Ice color. And I'm just going to be painting a little kitty cat on top of the moon. So I'm going to start by just painting a little kind of circle shape on top, just here, and filling it in. When I say filling it in, it's more like moving the product around. So got that. I'm going to do a couple of little ears coming out, just like so. Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Oh, it's a hard one, that, because I like the independence of a cat. But then that's also the big negative of a cat as well, isn't it? A cat doesn't really care when you come home and leave it. And
I think some cats really miss their owners.
yeah, well, that is true, yeah.
You know?
You you never get that excitement you do when you come home and a dog greets you.
Yeah, I know what you mean. So I'm going to just mix it properly. And now I'm going to go back into the magnet over here that we also sell on our website, by the way. And we're going to start by kind of trying to move the particles around. So they can be more of a... I'm trying to create like a definition, so the body of the cat is not necessarily like a part of the moon. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
So it needs to be... I'm moving it around. There we go. Bit more in the middle. There we go, right? Here. That's the one.
Yeah, it kind of shades it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Let me just see where it moves. There we go. So it shades it on the other side and it brings the brightness to this. So I'm going to pop this into the lamp and then we're going to add some stars. I'm going to be prepping a little bit of Snow White on my palette. Just applying a little bit, not too much. Just so I can add some stars to this whole design. So I'm going in with my dotting tool. And I'm just picking up a little bit of white. And I'm placing probably a little dot over here. And all I'm going to do now is just add some like random dots. So I'm going to pop this into the lamp and then we're going to apply some top coat. Okie dokie. So we've got our little kitty cat ready over here. How cute is
Very
this?
cute.
I'm going to be using our Urban Graffiti top coat, if I can find it, and apply a nice thin layer over the nail, cap all this goodness in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. You could try it with some of our other cat eye gel polishes. I've just chose Cracked Eyes because I thought it would look nice over the black background. Ta-da! Okay, I'll stop now. There you have it, guys. Our gorgeous little kitty cat ready. It's quite cute. It is giving me like a little bit of Halloween vibes.
Yeah.
Isn't it? I'm just waiting for a witch to turn up somewhere. But yeah, super cool design using our cat eye gel polish. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, guys. I loved creating it for you. As usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below what you'd like to see next. Yeah, thank you for watching. Take care, guys. Done?
Perfect, yeah. Would you just hold it in the middle one?
No.
Just the top down?
No. Okay, fine.
Because you were just a little low. I just want to make sure I've got it.
No, I was
There
kidding.
you go.
Yeah, I love it how you like literally ignore my burps. It's like
Did you
second
just
sound.
burp?
Yeah.
I didn't even
It's
notice.
just like, no, it's just like a natural thing for you.
Yep.
It's like, yeah, another
Part
one.
of the job. That's what they pay me for.
Hilarious.